Welcome to Investago TV's weekly review, your essential source for global economic updates, keeping you informed on the latest market trends and financial insights every single week. Buckle up! The US is facing economic challenges with manufacturing and consumer confidence weakening, despite heavy reliance on Keynesian policies and deficit spending. The University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index dropped to 76.5 from 76.9, reflects a decline in public optimism, influenced by persistent inflation, high gas prices, and failing real wages. This decline in consumer confidence, coupled with poor retail sales and significant increase in public debt, projected to hit $8 trillion by 2024, highlights the economy's struggles. Manufacturing also shows signs of distress, with industrial output and service indicating a continued downturn. Inflation exceeds targets, suggesting that the Federal Reserve's hands are tied, unable to cut interest rates without exacerbating the loss of purchasing power for citizens. This scenario suggests a move towards stagflation, mirroring the Eurozone's troubles, fueled by excessive government spending and fiscal policies that fail to adjust in the face of rising inflation. The current fiscal approach risks higher taxes, stunted growth, reduced real wages, and depreciating dollar, making a compelling case for investing in gold as a safeguard against economic instability. Facing a potential stagflationary crisis, the US economy is showing signs reminiscent of the 71 to 81 downturn, with predictions of a massive crash. Historical patterns of currency devaluation and central bank policies hint at severe economic challenges ahead. The 1970s experienced skimpflation, where inflation led to marked decrease in goods and services quality, affecting everything from cars to food. The era introduced processed foods as a cheaper alternatives, a trend possibly returning with modern pushes for a lab-grown meat and insect protein. This shift towards more affordable yet lower quality food options suggests a move from prosperity to poverty-driven dietary habits. Today's focus is on the US Consumer Price Index amidst expectations of rate cuts by G7 central banks, excluding Japan, despite ongoing challenges like sticky service inflation and geopolitical tensions. This anticipation persists even as the European Central Bank signals possible discussions on easing. The backdrop includes various controversies, from a Boeing whistleblower's death to lobbying efforts by high-profile individuals, highlighting broader economic and political instability. Angus Deaton, a renowned economist, expresses a shift in his long-held views, advocating for a reassessment of economic in light of recent failures to predict or mitigate crisis. Deaton criticizes the profession's neglect of power dynamics, ethnical considerations, and the real impact of policies on human well-being. His newfound skepticism towards free trade, immigration, and globalization reflects a broader critique of economic disconnection from real-world complexities and the need of multidisciplinary approach to understand and address global challenges. That's a wrap for today, and I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels to stay updated. Wishing you continued success on your journey.